Hi, welcome everyone to this new session on Introduction to Google Analytics. So, what is Google Analytics? So, basically, we all have learned for all our digital marketing, we need a good website, right? We need a very interactive website. And some of you might have already created a website, and some of you are planning to create a website. Now, once you have created a website, you want to know how many people are coming to your website on daily basis, how much time they are spending on your website, which pages people are visiting most on your websites, and different such kind of information that you're looking for, so that you can improve the either your websites, or you can identify which page are attracting the most traffic. So possibly you can plan something especially for those pages. So let me take you to a live website first of all. So here we are there on a website which is there, Google Merchandise Store. And now for example, this is a website, and we have created this website, and you want to know on which pages most people are coming, or from where they are coming, what kind of demographic are coming. Demographic means what is the age profile, which kind of customers are coming on my website, what is their age, from which city they are coming, or which devices they are using to come to my website. Are they using mobile or they are using desktop? So many information we can look for. And for example, why device, mobile or desktop? For example, if you find most of the users are coming from mobile, then definitely we should ensure our website should be mobile friendly, right? So how we can see this information? So all this information is available to us free of charge. We just have to install Google Analytics plugin on our website, and if you install, you can ask your developer to do it. It's just half an hour work. If you install Google Analytics on your website, you will get all this information on real time. So now I will take you the Google Analytics of this particular website, which is Official Merchandise Store, the live platform of Google. Right. So similarly, for Tech for Educators, we have our own Google Analytics. For every company or every website will get their own. So this is a dummy ID that Google has created, dummy site and dummy Google Analytics, for everyone to understand what is Google Analytics. So here we can see this analytics has been divided into 7 to 8 categories. Home. So as of now we are there at home, customization, real time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversion. So I will just give you a brief summary of all of this thing, and we'll understand all the aspects in detail in the live session. But what I want, before you come to the live session, you should be comfortable with Google Analytics. What is Google Analytics, and why as a digital marketing professional we should learn, or we should understand Google Analytics. So for example, on home, we will get to know how many users are coming to our websites, and how many sessions they have done. Session means, for example, if one user is coming twice, right, then he'll be counted twice in session, but one user. So this is the information. So all the summarized information of your website will be available on home. From where they are coming, right? Are they coming from Google search? Are they coming from display ads? Or are they coming direct? What do you mean by direct? For example, if somebody is directly typing the name of a website like this is called direct. Right. So if somebody is directly typing, this is called direct. So from where your customers are coming, again we can see the time frame, right, in which week you get most of your customers. And if I go down, even we can see by devices, from which devices they are coming, mobile, desktop, country. Even we can see by time frame, morning, evening, night. So lots of information is available, and based on this you can take some business decision. For example, if you find many of your customers are coming from this part of this city of India, then possibly you can identify what you want to do with that city. So now again, customization. So customization means, for example, whenever you are creating any customized report, all those reports will be available in customization. Now we will go to different kind of reporting structures which are available real time. So what is real time? Real time means, as of now, at this moment, how many people are there on my website. So as of now I can see 22 active users are on there on my websites, and 48% are there on desktop, 48% are there on mobile. So this is active information of my website, real time information, current information. So every information on real time you'll be getting under real time. Now audience. So what is audience? So basically I want to see what kind of people are coming to on my website. So everything you will find under audience. For example, let's go and click on demographics. Under demographics, if I can click on age, I can get what kind of people are visiting to my website. What is their age profile? 25 to 34, 18 to 24. How many visitors are there from this age bracket? How many visitors are there from this age bracket? So this is the information that you can get from audience. So different kind of information is available: gender, their interest, behavior, what kind of mobile they are using. Now we will go to acquisition. What is acquisition? From where they are coming to my website. So in audience, we have just seen the profile of people, those who are coming to your website. In acquisition, we will see from where they are coming to my websites. From where means, are they coming from Google search, they are looking for Google merchandise and coming to my website, or they are coming from Facebook, or they are coming from WhatsApp, they are typing on the WhatsApp link, or they are coming from email. From where they are typing, from where they are coming to my website. So if I go to acquisition, I will see overview. In overview you can see, okay, direct means people are directly typing the name of this website on their browser. Paid search means Google may be running some ad campaign and 181 customers are from paid search. Display ads. So this is the information that we can get, what kind of people are coming from audience and how they are coming from acquisition. Now we will go to behavior. So what is behavior? What exactly they are doing on my website? So what exactly they are doing on my website means which pages they are visiting, what is the site speed. For example, if I click on site speed overview, so here we can see the speed of your website for a month. Alright, so here you can see the average loading time is 3.35, and here you can see a time graph, right? So this is the way on 1st of June your website speed was 4.12 seconds, 5.91. so the less is the better. Less average loading time should be the less. So for example, if you see some constant, if some dramatic changes on this bar, then definitely you can talk to your developer. So all this information related to your website, on which page they are coming and what kind of downloading speed is there of your websites, all this information will be available on behavior. Now I will have something more which is called conversion. So what I'll do, I'll just put up my video on this site, and now we can go to conversion. What is conversion? Conversion means, for example, every website has some goal. For example, this merchandise website, they have a goal of what people are buying, how many people are directly buying from their website. So that is their ultimate goal. What is their ultimate goal? How many people are directly buying from the website. For example, if you're running an education website, it can be your goal can be how many people are filling up the form of your website, right? So how many people are coming to the website and filling up the form, that can be the goal. So here in conversion we will get to know how many people are filling up the form and from which kind of sources they are coming and filling up the form, so that we can target those kind of sources more. So this is the basic summary of Google Analytics: home, customization, real time, audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversion. Now in the live session we will see how you can use Google Analytics to improve the performance of your website and to improve your business as well. So thanks a lot, and we will see you in the live session.